When it comes to making iced strawberry matcha lattes at home, many things can go wrong. They can come out too brown, too much milk, not enough strawberry. But after months of watching all the tutorials online, we've tried blending the strawberries, muddling the strawberries with sugar, even using a mortar and pestle. None of it comes close to what JC came up with. So today, we're gonna reveal our secret iced strawberry matcha latte recipe that we use now, and it's the only way that we make iced strawberry matcha lattes at home. How would you do it? How do you start?
Step 1, warm up some water on the stove.
Onto this little guy here?
Yes.
What's the temperature?
Let's do 7.
7.
We want it almost boiling. If you're using a matcha whisk, you're gonna wanna soak it in warm water for about a couple minutes.
We go like this?
Nice. And then we are going to measure out your matcha. For our matcha, we are going to use 2 teaspoons of matcha. This is half a teaspoon, so we'll be using 4 of these.
Okay. Can I try one?
Yeah.
Push it on the side to make it flat. Oh,
Okay.
oh. There we go.
Then you're going to sift your matcha to make sure there's no clumps.
I just like doing this little powdered sugar method here. Look at that.
Then you're just gonna put that aside until your water is ready. So next,
This is the secret part.
this is the secret part. We are going to make strawberry milk. We are going to use about 4 strawberries.
Okay, so this is 1. That's a lot. Good.
And then you are going to want to add a nice dash of maple syrup. Not too much, not too little. A nice boop, just a nice boop. And then you are going to want to make sure that your milk goes just at the top of the strawberries. And then you're going to...
You're gonna muddle.
You're gonna muddle.
But you're muddling in the milk.
When you go down, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're twisting your wrist.
And get a muddler with teeth on it.
Yeah.
Typically, when you make a strawberry matcha latte, you're not muddling the strawberries into a milk. You're actually muddling the strawberries on their own with sugar. Some people do use maple syrup. But the difference here is that oftentimes the strawberry doesn't incorporate into the matcha latte very well. What if I muddled into the milk and then it was already done? That way you don't have big strawberry chunks, or it's not getting the right color because it's coming out brown.
And I also didn't want the added sugar.
How much muddling? How do I know?
Until you see that you like the color, the consistency color. We've all had, Nesquik before.
This is at-home strawberry Nesquik.
So then you're gonna wanna just strain the milk into the glass that you are going to be consuming your beverage out of. Pour over the strainer to get that strawberry milk. So now once you have your strawberry milk base, you're gonna wanna get some ice and fill it up about halfway. Next, you can do 1 part strawberry, 2 parts almond, 1 part matcha. In another glass, you're gonna take your almond milk and then you're going to wanna froth it.
Oh, wow.
You don't want to pour it in just yet. Now you're going to want to go ahead and grab that warm water off the stove. Take your matcha, grab your whisk. For this, we're going to do about 6 tablespoons.
3, 5, 6.
And now you're going to want to take your whisk and then kind of in like a W, just whisk it until smooth and frothy. And there's no more chunks. You can also, at the
smells
end,
really good.
Froth it up just to get it nice and
Do you do that?
frothy. Yeah.
Okay.
And just give it like a nice 5 to 10 seconds of a froth. And now, the best part. We're gonna make the matcha latte.
So watch, let's go. Wow. Oh, wow.
And then
Wow.
And there you have it. your strawberry iced matcha latte with almond milk cold foam. Shall we?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Keep going. Keep going. And look at that color. Not brown, not pink, not white, but that nice forest green matcha color that you want. And if you know anything about cold beverages, it's all about the color.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Here we go. I actually think it's amazing. I'm not even joking. The frothiness gives it a lightness.
Oh my gosh.
This is the best matcha latte I've ever had. Wow. It has a thickness to it. I don't even like, wow. All right, JC, well, thank you so much for that today. Now, I'm all the matcha better. Bye.
Bye.